Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the turning point coordinates of the parabola. So everybody has done a lot of questions regarding the quadratic equations and how to draw the graph for the parabola. So today I'll talk specifically how to find the turning point, whether it can be upward parabola, it can be downward parabola. So without taking much time, let's get started.
Okay guys, so let's start with the quadratic equation. So I'll open the chapter of quadratic equations from the NCERT class 10 CBSE. Now I have the quadratic equation 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. Now what I'll do is this, we'll try to solve this equation using the completing the square. Now here we have solved it also using the completing the square. Now I'll just tell you this statement, the 9x square minus 15x plus 6, this we need to express in the form of a minus b whole square. So how does, so 9x square is a perfect square, so that can be written as 3x plus 3x whole square, correct? Now minus 15x can be written in terms of the 2ab, isn't it? 2ab is nothing but 2 into 3x into what number should be kept here, such that answer should be minus 15x. So answer is 5 by 2, right? So basically this becomes a square and this becomes a minus 2ab. Now what is remaining? Plus b square minus b square is remaining, right? So this is b is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, when we divide with 2, it will become 5 by 2. This, no, we already got the 5 by 2 here. So basically 5 by 2 is a b, 2 into a into b. So 5 by 2, we can just add and subtract the 5 by 2 whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b square plus 6. So basically what will we get? 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Now when you solve this part, minus 25 by 4 plus 6. So we finally got the equation 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. That is the completing the square now. So when this entire term is translated into 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. Now let's plot the graph for it and let's find out the turning point of this graph. So let's me go to the Google and let me go to the graph plotter online. So I'll write down the equation and I'll mention the equation here, 9x square minus 15x, 9x square, I'll mention the square here. Okay, so I got it here, 9x square minus 15x plus 6. Now look at this figure, look at this point. Now we are interested in this point is what the turning point in the graph. So how to find this point now, right? So any value, look at this, for any value of x, whether if it is less than 0.833 or if it is more than 0.833, the value of y is lesser, it's going up. Is y is value is 0, and any value is that any value less than the x, it is going up, any value greater than x, it is going up. So this becomes the turning point in the life in the parabola. So now how to find this point x? Let's go back to the quadratic equation now. So we got the equation 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. So what I'll do is this, I'll go in the paint and I'll write it here. Now this term, look at this term, 3x minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So basically any value of x you give, if whatever the terms is, square will be always a positive number. So what we need to do is we need to equate this term as 0. If we just equate this term as 0, then we'll get only this term. We get only this term. So got it? So this is the only term we'll get as a y term. So let's try to understand now. So what I'll do is I'll equate this x term, this square term to 0. So it becomes 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. We want the value of x such that this entire term becomes a 0. So what will become? So 3x will be equal to 5 by 2 and then x is equal to 5 by 6, correct? X is equal to 5 by 6. Now, what value of x it is? 5 by 6. Let's understand this. Calculate. We'll go in the decimal term. 5 divided by 6. We got 0.833, isn't it? So we got something like this. We got 0.833. Okay. So this is the x value. For this x value, the entire 3x minus 5 by 2 will be equal to 0. So let's put the 0.833. When you put this value, the entire term will become 0, and what is the remaining? The remaining of y value will be minus 1 by 4. What is minus 1 by 4? Let's understand. Y, okay, y is equal to minus 1 by 4. That is nothing but minus 0.25, correct? So now let's go to the turning point. Is this the turning point? Let's try to understand. See, this is the turning point. Turning point is 0.833 and minus 0.25. Hope it is very clear to you, because you do the completing the square method and then just equate the 3x minus this a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. You equate to 0, and then whatever the value of x you will get, that will be the turning point in the parabola. Hope it makes sense to you. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and hang on this channel. Will come back with another set of video to clarify the different doubts. Okay, in this video this much only is enough, and thank you for watching.